Welcome to this lesson on dual currency accounts, a powerful banking product designed for managing multiple currencies. In today's globalized economy, many individuals and businesses need to handle transactions in different currencies regularly. Dual currency accounts provide an elegant solution to this challenge by allowing you to maintain balances in two or more currencies within a single account structure. Throughout this video, you'll learn what these accounts are, how they work, who benefits from them, and the important considerations you need to keep in mind before opening one. A dual currency account is a specialized banking product that allows you to hold and manage balances in two or more currencies within a single account structure. Instead of opening separate accounts for each currency you need, you can access multiple currency balances through one unified interface. This means you can keep US dollars, euros, British pounds, or other currencies in the same account, switching between them as needed. The account provides you with the flexibility to receive payments, make transfers, and maintain savings in different currencies without the hassle of managing multiple separate bank accounts. Dual currency accounts offer several significant advantages. First, you avoid multiple conversion fees. When you need to use different currencies regularly, converting back and forth can be expensive. With a dual currency account, you can hold funds in their original currency and only convert when necessary. Second, you get instant access to funds in different currencies, eliminating delays associated with currency exchanges. Third, these accounts help you hedge against exchange rate fluctuations. You can time your conversions strategically to get better rates. Finally, they simplify international transactions by allowing you to pay or receive money in the appropriate currency without intermediate steps. Dual currency accounts are particularly valuable for several groups of people. International business owners who deal with suppliers or customers in different countries benefit greatly from holding multiple currencies. Frequent international travelers can maintain balances in the currencies of countries they visit regularly, avoiding constant exchange fees. Expatriates and remote workers who earn income in one currency but have expenses in another find these accounts essential for managing their finances efficiently. Finally, investors with international portfolios use dual currency accounts to manage their investments across different markets and currencies without the complexity of multiple banking relationships. The mechanics of dual currency accounts are straightforward. You access multiple currency balances through a single account interface, typically via online banking or a mobile app. The account shows separate balances for each currency you hold. You have flexible conversion options, allowing you to exchange between currencies at competitive rates whenever you choose. Most dual currency accounts come with linked payment cards that let you spend directly from any currency balance. When you make a purchase in a particular currency, the bank automatically debits from that currency balance if available or converts from another currency at your preference. This integration makes international spending seamless and efficient. Understanding the fee structure is crucial before opening a dual currency account. Monthly fees are common, either as fixed maintenance charges or through minimum balance requirements that you must maintain to avoid penalties. Conversion spreads represent the markup banks apply to exchange rates when you convert between currencies. These spreads can vary significantly between providers. Transfer fees apply when you send international wire transfers to external accounts. Finally, inactivity fees may be charged if you don't use your account for a prolonged period. Always compare fee structures across different banks to find the most cost-effective option for your specific usage patterns. Before opening a dual currency account, you should understand several important factors. Exchange rate risk remains even when holding foreign currencies. If the value of a currency drops against your home currency, your balance in that currency loses purchasing power. Deposit insurance coverage is typically limited per currency, meaning you might not have full protection across all your balances. Tax reporting requirements for foreign currency gains can be complex, and you may need to report certain transactions or gains to tax authorities. Finally, account availability varies by jurisdiction. Not all banks offer dual currency accounts in every country, and the currencies available may be limited based on your location and the bank's capabilities. To summarize, dual currency accounts offer convenience and cost savings for managing international finances. They streamline multi-currency transactions, reduce conversion fees, and provide flexibility in timing your currency exchanges. However, success with these accounts requires careful evaluation of fees, understanding exchange rate risks, and being aware of regulatory considerations in your jurisdiction. Before opening an account, compare offerings from multiple banks, consider your actual currency needs, and ensure the fee structure aligns with your usage patterns. When used strategically, dual currency accounts can be a valuable tool for anyone engaged in international financial activities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.